welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, today I have a new dance tutorial for you. The title of this song is called You Should Know by Jor'Dan Armstrong. Okay, let's start. Okay, let's start. So for this one, you're gonna go close your feet. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3. Sorry, the timing here it goes like 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Okay, then you're gonna go up on 5, 6, double pop, 7, 8, 1, and 2. Okay, you can double tap like that. So it goes like this: 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Go 5, 6, 7, 8, and tap. So this one, tap, tap. Okay, again. So 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2. So this is 7, 8, 1, and 2. Copy? Next, continue up. 1 and 2, side 3 and 4. So this one you're gonna move to your left. 3 and 4. Head 5, 6, gonna go 7 and 8. 1, 2. And get here first. So 7, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. So it's cool. 1, 2. Let's try first and second. This is only 6/8 choreography, so it's very short. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, side 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. Good. So next, from here, 7, 8. Watch careful. 1 and 2, 3. And 4. So by this 1, 2, then close, tap, tap. This is 5 and 6, drop 7, 8. My count is wrong. Let's try again. 7, we're gonna go 7, 10, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is 5 and 6. That's the count. 7, 8. That's the count. Let's try again. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Head 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, up on 7, 8. This is 1 and 2. Let's continue. 8, drop 1, 2, clap. 8, drop 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 chain. 5, 6, turn around, 7, 8. Until there. We almost. We're gonna go 8 to 1, 2, 3, and. So this is 1, 3, and 4. Ball chains on 5, 6, turn, 7, 8. 1, 2. So this is 2 count. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and a 4. Copy? This is 8. Go 1, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Shoulder back. 5, 6. The shoulder. 5, 6, 7. Close on 8. One more time from here. 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Copy. Shoulder. 5, 6, drop. 7, and 8. Let's finish this with last 8. So 1, 2, chest. 3, open on 4, reverse on 5. This is 6, 7, 8. 1, close on 2. That's it. We do it one more time. From there, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. You can close on 2. Take time because that's the last step. You can go longer. Okay? So let's start from the beginning. Here we go. All of it. Here we go. And 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ball 10, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes! Good job! Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like that simple choreography that I made today. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comments on our video. Okay? And also don't forget to press the notification bell so you will be notified in my future video. Merry Christmas! Bye bye!